This part is for two people, you and the person who's going to be with you after surgery. We call that person your coach, and I want to talk to them directly for a minute. Coach, you're absolutely half this team, at least for the first 3 days at home. It's because we need you there around the clock, not hovering but helping, making sure the medicines are taken on schedule, being close by for first trips to the bathroom, and watching for warning signs because you may notice something before the patient does. Patients with a good coach, they recover faster, they fall less, and they get off their pain medication sooner. And that's not a pep talk, we see it over and over. And one request, make sure you read this guide, please, especially the warning signs in the coach section. At the hospital, you're that second set of ears, so some of what gets said on discharge day, only you will remember. Thank you for doing this. It matters more than you.